Veolia expands tech capabilities in U.S. waste. Veolia's agreement to acquire Clean Earth marks one of the largest U.S. expansions in its history, doubling its hazardous waste footprint and accelerating its push into advanced treatment technologies, particularly for PFAS, emerging contaminants, and waste generated by high-tech industries. The $3 billion transaction positions the company as the U.S. market's #2 hazardous waste provider, dramatically expanding its national network and its technology portfolio. A technological scale-up, the Clean Earth acquisition is Veolia's most consequential U.S. move since its merger with Suez. The deal does more than increase Veolia's physical footprint. It significantly elevates the company's technological capabilities across hazardous waste treatment, permitting, and digital logistics. Clean Earth brings 19 EPA-permitted treatment, storage, and disposal facilities, TSDFs, and more than 700 operating permits, allowing Veolia to deploy more advanced treatment technologies across a broader national platform. According to Veolia's announcement, Clean Earth's facilities and workflows are highly complementary, enabling accelerated integration of technologies for PFAS destruction, thermal treatment, liquid waste chemistry, and specialty waste streams associated with pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, and advanced manufacturing. This acquisition is a major step in the group transformation, said Estelle Brachlianoff, Veolia CEO, in the company's statement. She emphasized that doubling the U.S. hazardous waste business strengthens Veolia's global capabilities while unlocking new growth in the most dynamic industries across the U.S. Technology is the core of the combined platform. The U.S. hazardous waste sector has become a proving ground for new environmental technologies driven by pressure to manage PFAS, solvents, nanomaterials, pharmaceutical waste, and residues from microelectronics manufacturing. Veolia's global R&D and technical infrastructure already includes high-temperature incineration, chemical stabilization, supercritical water oxidation pilots, and thermal destruction pathways for PFAS. With Clean Earth's network, Veolia will be able to implement PFAS and emerging contaminant treatment technologies. Veolia has repeatedly signaled the need for large-scale, commercially viable PFAS treatment. Clean Earth adds the facility footprint needed to deploy advanced PFAS destruction technologies across multiple states, an increasingly urgent requirement as federal standards tighten. Digital waste tracking, permitting, and logistics optimization. Clean Earth's vast operating permit inventory provides the regulatory foundation for Veolia to expand end-to-end digital services, including automated waste profiling, digital chain of custody, tracking, remote facility monitoring, AI-guided routing, and treatment selection. This level of digital integration has become critical for customers in pharmaceuticals, biomanufacturing, and semiconductor fabrication, industries that require traceability for every step of their waste lifecycle. Specialty treatment for advanced manufacturing waste streams. U.S. reshoring efforts in microelectronics, batteries, and clean tech manufacturing are increasing the volume of chemically complex wastes. Reuters noted that Veolia sees the Clean Earth acquisition as a direct response to this demand, strengthening its ability to handle specialized waste from high-growth, high-risk sectors. National expansion to underserved regions. While Clean Earth's 82 facilities provide a national footprint, 2 regions stand out. The Southeast, where reshoring manufacturing and pharmaceutical production is increasing hazardous waste intensity. The Pacific Northwest, where growth in biotechnology, semiconductor fabrication, and energy storage manufacturing is outpacing regional disposal capacity. Veolia noted that the combined platform will allow the company to serve these rapidly expanding markets with a broader suite of technically advanced services, particularly those requiring EPA-permitted TSDF infrastructure, which remains limited in both regions. Strengthening Veolia's role in U.S. environmental security. Hazardous waste treatment has become a cornerstone of U.S. environmental security as industrial complexity increases. The Clean Earth acquisition supports several strategic priorities: safer treatment of emerging contaminants, including PFAS and residuals from high-tech supply chains, stronger national resilience through additional TSDF capacity, ability to support reshoring sectors, including EV battery materials, semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, and clean energy manufacturing, expanded service offerings for healthcare and retail, where waste volumes are rising and regulatory expectations are tightening. Hazardous waste technology market. With this transaction, Veolia moves beyond incremental U.S. expansion and into a leadership position in technology-enabled hazardous waste services. The deal brings scale, advanced treatment capabilities, digital integration, and national reach, all factors that define the next generation of environmental services providers. As demand grows for PFAS solutions, high-tech waste treatment, and digitally integrated environmental services, the acquisition positions Veolia as one of the few companies able to deliver technology-intensive, nationwide hazardous waste management across multiple high-risk, high-growth industries. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites presented by E+E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team.